Oh. It's nice. It's pretty nice, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's pulling the whole thing. Finally cleaning the yard up, cleaning all that construction debris. It was getting to be a disaster out here because I was going to trip over something and probably take a header right into the mountain, probably wreck one of the bridges. I mean, for sure. So I just had to clean it up. So this is next. I don't know if I like this curve. I don't know. I may redo this one real quick and just put all 8-foot curves and get rid of those 6ers back there. It looks a little tight to me. I don't like it. We'll see. This is what I'm using Goo Gone to clean the tracks, and this little scouring pad here to clean the tracks off. It's really easy to clean. They come super clean, super quick, but that's doing it by hand. I'm gonna have to make up some kind of car to drag behind this to put the Goo on and then to pull it up. I got a couple battery engines. I just got to make up a couple actual cars with like a track cleaning train to pull around here with the Goo on, clean it up. Wally's leading this group here. Whoa. Doggy. What's that? You want pictures of you to end up on YouTube? I can arrange that. I know a guy. I can make you a star. Mm-hmm. Do you like trains, babe? Mm-hmm, thought so. The other thing I suggest is if you're running just track power, always use 2 engines. You know, if you're going to be doing slower speeds, because they kind of help each other with sometimes you get like a spot on the track or like a little bit of voltage drop or like a like a short or something like that. The 2 engines together will help them push and pull each other through the problem. It seems to be the best way to do it if you have issues. I'm trying to avoid it with this one, with really attaching the track perfect, doing all the stuff you're supposed to, but every now and then when you turn the thing on, it just seems nothing runs right. Some days you turn them on, nothing happens. It's just bizarre how that happens. But I guess they're transporting a Wally unit somewhere. Doggy. Hi, doggy.
I think this is whole video.
Okay. Okay, that went haywire. So, this is my camera car that I built. Got my GoPro on it. It's got a Lazy Susan I got from Amazon. I think it's 2-inch Lazy Susan. And it's a little, I don't know, it was a little crane car. And just turned it into this little camera car. I want to take apart a little RC car that I have and take the steering mechanism out and put it on here. So when you toggle, you know, this should go back and forth like that. This RC, just, you know, I got an old junk RC car, so I figured just use that. See how it works. But I'm gonna try to get some film with this now. I'm gonna put it on this train, just get some film going around circles, see how it looks.